What are React Server components? React Server components are React components that are fetched and rendered on the server, whereas client components are fetched and rendered on the client. How do React Server components work? First, the client sends a GET request to the server. On the server, React begins to render React Server components to JSON and stream them to the framework. The framework turns the JSON chunks into HTML and streams them to the client, which renders the initial HTML page, sends a request for JavaScript, and renders the incoming HTML chunks. When the JavaScript arrives, the client boots up the app so as to hydrate it. Note that the React layer is separate from the framework layer. What are the pros and cons of React Server components? Pros: direct access to data sources from anywhere in the tree, cheap hydration, automatic code splitting at client component imports, use heavy code modules on the server and send only the rendered result to the client, React components for the server, React Server components instead of APIs. Cons: new paradigm to learn, currently only available to some frameworks, still have to load and rebuild React on the client, new and undiscovered pitfalls to avoid. When should you use React Server components? When you have components with data fetching, when you don't have event handlers or use state, when you want to use third-party libraries on the server without increasing the bundle size sent to the client, when you want direct access to the backend from React, perfect for most React apps except static sites. See also progressive hydration, islands architecture, and resumability.